Hey Rico, what's going on, buddy? Here's the 1LE Camaro, obviously with the jet black. You got the gun metallic staggered wheels with the Brembo 1LE brakes. So the 1LE will come with the matte finish wrap on the top, and then you got the aero blade for the downforce aero package there in the bottom. As soon as you put it in gear, these will illuminate. They're daytime running lights with LED projectors. You got an oversized grille because it has tons of heat exchangers. So you got a heat exchanger for the transmission, the oil, the antifreeze, the rear diff, the brakes. And then you got the rear tires as well. So the rear rim is actually bigger than the front. That's why it's called staggered. You got your stainless steel quad exhaust. Your aero blade spoiler, which is only specific on the 1LE. I love that spoiler. It's just a nice clean look. And there's no scratches or dents on it. This does have the keyless entry system, so you just hit the button, it'll unlock it for you. It does have built-in Wi-Fi. You got the blade spoilers, so that'll do all your OnStar, Wi-Fi, FM, AM, satellite radio. You can drive through the car wash, don't worry about the antenna falling off. And then over here you have the Recaro seats. These seats are very expensive. Everybody wants these when they buy a Camaro, and they're only available on the 1LE or the Z01. I love them because they got the leather on the side and then the suede on the inside. And then in here you also have the suede steering wheel, suede shift knob, and you have our 8-inch MyLink system. Over here you have all your audio. You'll have satellite radio, AM, FM, and then you have obviously your Bluetooth. Right here is a projection system, so if you use an Android or an iPhone, it'll literally project what you have on your phone up there. So it'll do verbal text messaging, Pandora, Spotify, Waze, Siri, a lot of cool stuff. And then this is my most favorite part. So it's called the Performance Data Recorder. So what that'll literally do is there's a slot down over here in the glove box for an SD card. It's the same card you put in your digital camera. And what it'll do is it'll record your runs. So for example, let's say we're driving at the racetrack or you're just cruising with your buddies on the weekend. What it'll do is it'll have a high definition video camera right back here. And it'll show you up on the screen once it's recording your gears, your lateral G. If you actually are on a racetrack, it'll pull up the track's turns and all that. It's really cool. I'll send you a link for it as well. I love the steering wheel. You have the race inspired steering wheel, so it's flat on the bottom. We just did all the maintenance on it, so you can see the oil is 100%. I love all the performance stuff that it has on here. So you're gonna have G-force, oil temp, oil pressure, trans fluid, tire temp. So it even tells you when the tires are warmed up, so you can kind of really get on it. It has the electronic limited slip differential. So what this means is one of the wheels will turn faster than the inside. So if you're going on a turn, outside will turn faster than the inside, so it kind of hugs the turn a lot better. I mean, a lot of amazing stuff on here. Your audio is going to be on here as well. Everything's digital on the top, as you can see. And then you have a thing called Rev Match. So let's turn this on. This actually was on, so it's on now. So what that'll do is when we're shifting gears again, you downshift it, it's going to hold the last RPM from the previous gear, so you don't lose any power when you go into the next gear. Up over here you have your heads-up display, which you can change what you want on it. So let me adjust a little bit. And then you got your radio, your compass, your RPM, and then your mile per hour. So a lot of cool stuff. You can dim it down and up. Let me zoom back out. You have LED lights everywhere. And then I love that we incorporated the rearview mirror without any trim on the outside, so it kind of looks a little more elegant. But fantastic car. If you've seen any YouTube videos of the 1LE, basically breaking a lot of records, so best bang for the buck. But I'll send it over, man, and send you that credit application link. I appreciate it. Thank you.